Hello coaches, this is a quick video on the Unschool platform for coaches. I am Narayanan, co-founder at Unschool, who will help you through this process. All you have to do is quickly go to learn.unschool.in/login. You quickly put in your login details once your sub-admin access has been provided to you by us. And this is the dashboard that will be visible to you once you have logged in. This will have a beautiful picture of yours over here. All the functionalities of every sub-admin will be on the left side, and whichever course you are coaching will be on this side of the entire dashboard. You can quickly go to the course that you want to create. We will be creating the course, and you can only have editing access to the entire course. So for example, if we quickly click on the soft skills course over here, you'll reach your course dashboard, wherein you can quickly run through all the chapters, all the lessons that you have mentioned. These are chapters. Once you click on the chapters, you get to see the lessons, and you can have as many chapters, as many lessons as you want. It's a very simple task to create this. We will create this and provide this to you, and what you can do in each lesson could be one particular type. It could be a video type. The lesson could be a video type. Once you drag the video type over here, you get to name the video. You get to name the lesson, sample lesson. You get to put a tag if you want to. You can keep a trial period, or you can keep it as a paid version. You can embed videos from your system. Ideally, that will be the best thing. Or you can just insert a link if you have, or you can also upload a YouTube video, so on and so forth. Once you put in the video over this box, you can also have multiple attachments, PDFs, or voice overs that you would want the students to listen to. All right. And you have audio files dropping, you have PDF files that you can put in. It's a very simple process, again, like how I showed in the video section of the lesson. It's very simple, but that's basically it with regards to the entire dashboard for the sub-admins. We have content dripping methods, or pre-scheduled way of students, how you can pre-schedule when the course is, when each of the lessons are visible to the students, and then there's certification that we will take care of from our end, and that's basically it. If you have any further doubts, do let us know and we will help you out.